Right now, language models operate like digital calculators. You type a prompt, wait for a response. The moment you stop typing, the process stops. The industry is moving towards agents. Instead of answering single questions, an agent takes one instruction, opens applications, clicks menus, and completes multi-step tasks. To work effectively, companies want these running directly on your machine, rather than distant cloud servers. To build an AI intern that understands your personal workflow, the processing has to happen locally, within the computer sitting right in front of you. First hurdle: capable agents need an imposing block of fast, unified memory. Second, AI frameworks are built on CUDA, NVIDIA's software stack. A MacBook has unified memory, but zero CUDA access. A Windows gaming laptop supports CUDA, but split memory cannot hold large models. Until now, no single machine on the market possessed both the physical memory layout and the software access required to run a true agent. NVIDIA designed the RTX Spark chip specifically to bridge this gap. The architecture features a 20-core ARM CPU paired with an RTX 5070 GPU. Crucially, it supports 128 gigabytes of unified RAM, giving the model space to operate. Because it's NVIDIA hardware, it natively runs the full stack, including CUDA, DLSS, and ray tracing. The Spark is the first architecture to fuse high-capacity unified memory with industry-standard AI software infrastructure. This hardware is fitted into ultra-thin laptops measuring just 14 millimeters thick. By utilizing an ARM-based design, these devices maintain all-day battery life, which is unusual for hardware with this much processing power. While the focus is AI, Adobe is already reworking Premiere and Photoshop for this chip, and the 5070 GPU ensures it remains a capable gaming machine. NVIDIA has taken the theoretical requirements for local AI and packaged them into a standard laptop. NVIDIA only manufactured the hardware. The actual user experience depends entirely on Microsoft integrating these agents into the Windows operating system. In this security model, an agent needs deep permissions. It requires access to your files, taskbar, and core OS controls to act on your behalf. More capable than Copilot, it operates continuously in the background, automating tasks even while the user is away. To use the RTX Spark as intended, you have to grant a single software entity pervasive control over your entire system. Currently, many users actively try to remove or disable basic tools like Copilot because they find them obtrusive. There is a psychological barrier to moving from a system you control manually to an invisible agent that reads and alters your files autonomously. If any company has the clout and the partnerships to make this transition happen, it is NVIDIA. They have solved the physical engineering constraints of the local AI PC. The final bottleneck is whether users are willing to grant a machine that level of autonomy.